And right now, health officials are issuing a warning about a rise in respiratory viruses and how that could soon impact hospitals nationwide. As CBS News' Jared Hill reports, the CDC says more than half of the country is seeing a spike in COVID, flu, and RSV.
New year, same worries as COVID hospitalizations nationwide are at the highest level since last February.
It's concerning in the sense that the volume of patients is higher.
COVID hospitalizations at St. Joseph's Medical Center in Paterson, New Jersey, more than triple compared to a month ago. Across the country in Los Angeles, cases up by 25%. Nationwide, emergency room visits and deaths also on the rise from last week alone.
They are sicker, especially the patients that are the most vulnerable, that have comorbid disease, things like cancer or respiratory disease.
And it's not just COVID. Doctors are also seeing more cases of the flu and RSV. 31 states are reporting high or very high levels of various respiratory illnesses. The uptick leading hospitals in several states and Washington, D.C. to bring back masking requirements.
It really helps to protect the vulnerable people that are sitting out there in the waiting room right now.
The CDC says one contributing factor to the rise in illnesses is people haven't been keeping up with vaccinations. Fewer than 50% of adults are vaccinated for the flu, even fewer for COVID. With cases of all three likely to have spread as people got together over the holidays, health officials say pay attention to symptoms like coughing, fever, or fatigue.
If you are getting sick, one of the best things you can do from there, in addition to taking care of yourself, is limit how many other people you expose.
In other words, stay home if you can. Jared Hill, CBS News, New York.
And according to the CDC data, 6 flu-related pediatric deaths happened during the last week of 2023.